How to change username on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to change username on Facebook. So let's begin. Since we cannot change our username on Facebook with the use of our mobile, what I will be teaching you is the changing of your username on Facebook with the use of your laptop or your PC. So go ahead first by opening your favorite web browser such as Chrome, Safari, Mozilla, Explorer, and many more. So go to Chrome for example, and then go to facebook.com. Once you're in facebook.com, make sure to sign in with your account, and then once you have signed in, go to this button right here found on the upper right corner of Facebook, and then click on settings. Click on settings once again, and then you may be able to see name, username, contact, and many more. Since you want to change your username, simply choose username right here and click on edit. And then as you can see right here, your account must be verified before you can change your username. So go ahead and verify your account first, and then once you have verified your account, go back into this section right here, edit your username, and then type in your desired username, and then click on save. And if it asks you to input your password, simply do so. So again, just a recap, you may open your um, web browser and then go to facebook.com, click on your um, button found on the upper right corner of the screen, go to settings, go back to settings, and then click on edit found on the rightmost part of username, and then that's it. That's how you can change your Facebook username.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.